Alright, so here's a quick video on how to log into your app stream. So on your Schoology, you should have get access to SolidWorks at the app stream. It's going to pull up this document. Okay, so it's just going to be step 1, step 2, step 3, but if you hover over top of this link and you click on it, this will be the website that you need to go to. It's going to take us to AWS. So this is the document. You might want to have that open while you're running it, because what we're going to do is go to AWS. We're going to log in using our BBSD credentials. We're going to click sign in. We're going to have 3 options. We're going to click on SolidWorks applications. We're going to click on this guy right here, right in the middle. Not electrical, not composer, but just the straight up SolidWorks in the middle. And then it should go through this loading. Takes about 2 minutes. And then if you get this window, you're just going to hit allow. If you get this window, you're going to get accept. Then that should load up SolidWorks. If it doesn't load, let me know, and that's something we need to work through with IT. Thank you.